get fingerprints on your car door like that whenever you go to shut your car door. It's annoying, right? So what I ended up getting was some of these. They're called JamHandles. These are a little large. These are the 4-hole ones. I was gonna put them on my Mustang. It's a little large, so what I ended up doing is ended up cutting them down. So that's what it looks like whenever you cut it down. And what that allows you to do is it allows you to put your fingers in here like this and shut your door without touching the outside of the door. So like I said, I've got a package of 4 of these, one a raffle kind of thing. So what I ended up doing was, here's the card here, JamHandle. There's the information in the website, www.jamhandle.com. So I got 4 of these. So what I ended up doing is I ended up cutting one of them in half to put on the Roush. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna see about the wife's Mach 1 and see about what I need to do to get this to fit. You can see here, this is a little bit long, so I'm gonna have to cut this one down as well. If you guys have a Mustang or something like that, you're gonna have to cut these down. They're just a little bit too big in my opinion. So I'm gonna cut this one in half and I'll be able to use one for both sides of the vehicle. So once you cut it, you can't cut it. I cut the first one with a razor knife, a little bit too aggressive. I didn't cut it very well. So what I'm gonna do is probably redo the Roush one, but cut it with something like a Dremel tool. And then you can put it up here like this, maybe put it down here. What it does is just gets shut into your door jamb. So you should be able to use one for both sides if you get the 4-hole one, if you have a Mustang. So I'm gonna cut it down and I'll show you guys again what it looks like whenever I get it cut down. Whenever you look at the 4-hole JamHandle, it's just under 5 inches, just right at 5 inches long. So what I did was I cut mine down. Obviously it's gonna be 2.5 inches. So if you can find a flat 2.5 inch space on your door, that's gonna be the best place to put these. Okay, so now once I get that side cut, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a sanding disc, a sanding wheel here, like this right here. I'm gonna sand it down and clean up the edges. So let me put that on and we'll clean up the edges. All right, so let's clean this up a little bit here. Just so there's not any sharp edges or anything on here that's gonna get your fingers sliced or anything. So I'll clean it up right here. It doesn't have to look the best. I mean, you want it to look nice, obviously. They do offer 3, I think 2-hole as well. But in my my winning here, I got the 4-hole, so that's nice. So I think maybe if you had a truck or something with some bigger doors, the JamHandle 4-hole would be okay. But at the same time, do you really need to put four fingers in there to shut the door? I mean, I do it with 2 fingers and it's fine. So that's my opinion anyway, but do what you will. So now that I get this all cleaned up, I'll show you guys installing it on the Mach 1 Mustang. All right, so I got it cut down. You can install it like this if you want. It doesn't look as good in my opinion, so I'm gonna install it like this right here, up tight against the door seal. You can install it here. Maybe I'll do it here. But see, it rocks back and forth. You gotta find a pretty decently flat surface to install it. So I think I'll install it right there, and it'll just allow you to be here like this. Yeah, that's not gonna work well. That's gonna be too rocky. So yeah, let's install it like this, my initial idea, right up here. So all you do is just peel off the back of the JamHandle. Find out where you want to put it, obviously. And then just press it on there and hold it for 30 seconds so it's nice and tight. press it on there. You can also use some adhesive promoter pad on here as well if you want to make it stick better, but this is where I'm putting it on my car. Your car, like I said, may be different. So it's on there now, it's not coming off, and you just use your 2 fingers there to shut it. So, and it shuts nice, just like that. Fits right in the door jamb there. Doesn't cause any issues or doesn't hit anywhere in there because there's a pretty decent sized space. So just like that. And there you go.